Hi everyone. Today we will discuss email writing. I am Dr. Savita, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Shahid Uttam Singh Government College, Matak Majri, Indri, Karnal. First of all, we must know what is an email. Email stands for electronic mail. It is the most preferred means of communication. As we all know, it is cheaper and faster. There are two ways of writing email. Number one, formal, an email which is written to office administration, school authority, companies, government firms. The other one is informal, an email which is written to family, relatives, and friends is the informal emails. Now we will discuss format of email writing. First of all, we will write from sender's email ID, and the two fields stand for recipient's email ID. Now CC. CC stands for carbon copy. Here we mention other individuals receiving the same mail with visible IDs. CC field is for those recipients who are receiving the mail as a courtesy or so that they are kept in the loop. Generally speaking, if you receive an email where you are mentioned in the CC field, so no action is required or expected from you. BCC. BCC stands for blind carbon copy. Other individuals receiving the same mail with invisible mail IDs. When you have to send an email to a large number of recipients without sharing everyone's email addresses with each other. For example, a school teacher needs to send an email to all parents of her class but does not want to make all the email addresses public. In that case, she can put her own email address in the to field and all the parents' email address in BCC field. Now subject, title or the reason of writing mail. Salutation, words like dear sir, ma'am, respected, hi, etc. can be used. Now we will discuss about the main body of email writing. The main content of email. First of all, introduction. Here we have to keep in mind certain points that it should be simple, short and to the point. Purpose should be clearly written. And reason of writing. Why you are writing email. And then we will discuss the matter in detail and then conclusion. Here is the closing line. Thank you for the consideration. If you have any attachment, you can add any attachment file. Lastly, yours faithfully. Then sender's name, signature, address, and other details of contact like contact number. Now we will discuss a sample of writing an email. Write an email to Chief Medical Officer, Civil Hospital, Karnal regarding camps for COVID-19 vaccination in colleges for students and the staff. From ABC, as you know, it's sender's address to its recipient's address. CCC, BCC, as we had discussed in previous slide. Subject, camps for COVID-19 vaccination in colleges for students and the staff. Dear sir, ma'am, I am here to inform you as per letter reference number DGHE 123 ABC dated so and so, we have to organize camps for COVID-19 vaccination in our college for students and the staff. Therefore, you are requested to arrange the ensured supply of vaccines and medical staff as soon as possible. Thank you for your consideration. Attachment. List of number of students and the staff is attached. A copy of the concerned letter. Principal, IBM DAV College, Karnal. PIN, complete address. And as you know, it must be signed. Thank you so much.